Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at KTALnews.com and your Weather Authority app. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces, and this is your Tuesday morning forecast update. Once again, we do have a lot of heat in the forecast today. Temperatures headed into the low to mid 90s this afternoon, and likely we'll see a few scattered storms late this morning and maybe continue through the afternoon in a few areas today. So there's kind of a confined severe weather threat. I'll show you that in just a moment, but heat will be the story for the rest of us as your temperatures in the 70s, low 80s this morning, and highs this afternoon will likely go into the low to mid 90s. So the heat advisory today has been expanded northward, so it does include Red River County in Texas and then just kind of southeast along I-49 there down through Natchitoches. Heat index today, when you factor in mid 90s and the high humidity, will probably come close to 103, 105. So going to be a very warm day today, but we do expect some of those thunderstorms to develop along the front here, maybe in the next few hours. You can see the rain is really popping up back towards the Dallas area on I-20, and expect a few of these storms will really tap into that warm and humid air, if not late this morning, then this afternoon. So there is a slight risk of seeing some severe weather here, especially southeast of Shreveport through our Louisiana parishes, and again, wind and hail will be the main threats here. Kind of a lower severe weather threat as you push north towards Texarkana, but again, that level 1 marginal risk means we can't rule out a severe storm in the green area here, but the yellow area would be the more favorable location to see any severe storms develop today. So taking a look at your Robbins Toyota Futurecast, I'll show you a couple different forecast models. This is our in-house model here, which does show the rain really developing this afternoon, and notice the storms in that slight risk area there, so that kind of verifies with what the Storm Prediction Center is putting out. This will likely be the final day of any potential severe weather here, but I wanted to show you the HRRR model as well. Again, this is the one that does update every hour, usually has a pretty good handle on the atmosphere, and it does see the rain that's out there this morning, and it actually shows some of the storms really getting going as we get into the late morning and afternoon hours. So it does kind of show a similar thing here, where we'll see the strongest storms maybe southeast of Shreveport come maybe 2-3 o'clock in the afternoon. But again, be prepared to maybe see a few storms before that. But again, these will be capable of some hail as well as some high wind. What this will do really maybe hamper some of the restoration efforts. So I'm hoping we can keep the storms as far away from us as possible today. But after today, we'll really dry out and actually turn the winds to the north tomorrow. So there is going to be a noticeable drop in the humidity Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and it may be enough to pull a lot of us out of the heat advisory here for the rest of the week. It's going to be hot either way, but we may avoid the dangerous heat as we continue through the week here. But there is going to be another warm up this weekend. Can see those heat advisories may be back in effect at some point for the upcoming weekend.